Hello everybody, and today I need my grandma's assistant Jayden to help me play Terraria. Over to him. Hello Jayden.
Hello.
How are you doing?
Good. At the moment I'm finding a chest. So...
Oh, if you didn't know, Jane's at the top. Just hanging around.
Yeah. Nothing.
Terraria.
So, today we're looking for chests, I think. I'm not very good at finding them, but my friend is, but he's made a new character. So that doesn't make him... He's a bit what?
And the name's called Idiot. It's he named.
Yeah, because it is an idiot person.
Go down some mining.
I don't have any torches.
Neither do I.
Well, there's a chest down there. The first chest. So how do you use it?
You just need to break it. Need to break that one.
28 roses? Serious? They can't be. So other than that, that was quite stupid, wasn't it? I might go back home in a minute to find some torches, I think. Oh no, now there's a vase down here. So if I can mine that up. Torch, thanks. I don't know how many I got. Up here. What did I just set off? What the thing did I set off?
I think it's a blood moon.
Oh, come on.
But at night world. Lovely. I wonder how that happens suddenly when it's daytime. Hey.
Run! Run, run, run. Oh, what's down here? Break the chest. Rose. And copper. Okay. Quick. Someone here. What blocks are there?
So go down in the mine if you want to find it.
How much torches do I have? I've got 75 torches. I've only got 14 torches. So I can't really go that deep. Oh, there we go.
So, Jayden, where are you going then?
I'm just going to find the little place. You know, the little deep mine. I'm going to go in there for a little while.
Well, this is one big island. You might find loads of mystical houses around. And that'll be very good for our second video.
Yep. Is there anything down here? What's this stuff? You can't collect.
Yeah, I don't know why.
Oh, I really can't see. Right, now I'm going to go around here.
Yeah, I can just see your screen now, which is pretty good.
I know that, so I'm not going to collect it. Nice to meet you. Nice.
We found the old man's house.
Oh, what's this? A yellow potion. Right, I just broken lots of stuff. What did I get from it? Oh yeah, I got 1 mana.
He's found the old man's house.
And I've got 1 mana crystal.
I wonder what may happen later.
Oh, what's this? It's a to close. Okay, now. Oh yeah. I need to chuck something away. If I got 2 axes, why? Chuck that away. And collect that. And then if I chuck. Oh, I know. Let's break some of these. So let's go. Oh. So what have I got? No gold.
Just loads of potions.
Potion. Oh, okay.
Wouldn't go underground, Jayden, you know.
No, I'm not going underground.
You might just die.
Yeah, you would. Oops a daisy, I just
Killed a You just killed a bunny rabbit.
Hey. Oh look. Anyway, let's go over this. And then we can get a move on. Whee! We're standing down here. We just got a little bit. And we'll go across a bit of the ocean. Now there's the ocean! So that's the end of our world. We've got to the end of the world, okay? So,
And everyone, this may be the end of the video.
we'll come back.
We'll come back at part 2 to destroy the skeleton master. Bye!